Hello, we are your Selwyn House Science leaders for Semester 1. I'm Julia.
And I'm Lucy. And today we're going to be finding out which fizzy drink explodes the best with the help of Mentos.
First you put 2 Mentos into the bottle of fizzy drink.
The Mentos has many little dimples on its surface. Even though it looks smooth, it's not. The carbon dioxide in the fizzy drink collects inside those dimples, causing the fizzy drink to explode. Our hypothesis is the fizzier the drink, the more it explodes.
You try to knock me down, but I get up again. It's time to break out the box you try to put me in. 'Cause we are the quirky ones. We all just wanna have some fun. We live, we love, we wanna laugh out loud. YOLO, so watch me work it out. 'Cause tonight, for the first time, I'm loving who I be. Turn it up for all the freaks like me. Tonight, I'm feeling so fine. I'm loving who I see. Turn it up for all the freaks like me. Freaks like me. The 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 freaks.
This week's question is, how many hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms are in H2O2? Don't forget to comment your answer down below, and the first 3 people to get it right will get a shout out.
Last week's question was, what is the saltiest sea in the world? The first 3 people to answer were the Diamond Cat HD, Purple Puffin Girl, and Izzy S. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.